Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add black and white filters on your videos in Shotcut. So I have here two clips and I'd like to add filters on one of the clip, and that is the first one. So to add black and white filters on any of the clips, go ahead and select the clip first, and you can do so by just tapping on the clip. And then once you tap on the clip, come here under filters. Alternatively, we have filters option here. So if you tap on it, then come and select a filter or add a filter by tapping on this plus icon. So I'll tap on it, and from here look for the option called saturation. Under the search bar, just tap saturation, and here we go. The saturation option is here. I'll tap on it. Now you can go ahead and set our level. So if you go ahead and drag this, you can see how much filters you can add. If you increase it, it will make it even more colorful. However, if you reduce it on the other side, you can see now this turns to black and white. So it has been applied. However, you may want to go ahead and adjust these filters. As you can see, we have a really pale or a casual black and white. But if you go ahead again and look for color grading, and color grading is here, and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and adjust this to make it more appealing. So you can just adjust this by moving this up and down, and I like that. So we can go ahead and apply such color gradings on our image, and look at that. Now this is a pretty good black and white color graded filters that we have just added on this image. So I like that. So that's how you add black and white filters on your video clips in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.